Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This cover, the epitome of Caribbean luxury with this stunning villa in Redding, Montego Bay. Set on an expansive property of almost 2 acres with breathtaking panoramic views of both the turquoise sea and majestic mountains. This villa combines elegance with comfort and convenience for the ultimate retreat. The main house features a spacious master suite with its own living room and large windows to enjoy scenic views, along with two other ensuite bedrooms that were thoughtfully designed with modern and high-end finishes. The expansive gourmet kitchen is perfect for family meals or entertaining, and the open concept living room that flows onto a beautiful pool deck and cozy gazebo, offering seamless indoor-outdoor living. A separate, fully equipped studio building is perfect as a guest house or caregiver's quarters, offering privacy and flexibility. Situated in the desirable Reading area, this villa is only a short drive to the heart of Montego Bay, with easy access to the best beaches, dining, and amenities the city has to offer. This villa is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the beauty, comfort, and the luxury of Montego Bay living. Make contact today to schedule a private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1,185,000 or Jamaican $189 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.